Morning today. I'm gonna cook some white rice and till mackerel and baked bean. The rice is already on the place. The rice I cook. This is my white rice. So I'm gonna cook some rice and baked bean and till mackerel. So this is my season. What I'm gonna use in the baked bean and the till mackerel. I don't have any scallion, so I'm gonna use the onion. I'm gonna put some butter in my rice. This is my butter. Yes, some rice is cooking, guys, so stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yes, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put up some seasoning to the mackerel and baked bean. I'll cut up some pepper. Now I'll use this. Just put it on this. Just put it on the cover. Guys, I like a lot of pepper in my tin mackerel, so I'm going to use 4 pepper. 4 pepper and the onion. So the guys, I'm going to cut up the pepper and onion now. Now put the pepper. This is my pepper. Guys, the rice almost finished cooked. Guys, I was going to say till mackerel and baked bean. I never know if you never do it before. I don't know if you never do it before, but Me always do it. From me that Jamaica, me always a cook me till mackerel and me baked bean. You understand? So, that's what I'm going to do. Guys, this is my rice. You can see my white rice. You see that? I like when my rice shelly. Guys, I go see the finishing look. Yeah, you gonna see the finishing look. You gonna steam out a little more. Yes, so the baked bean and my till mackerel, my black pepper, my pepper. You can see the ingredients them there. Ingredients.